So good afternoon, everyone.
Ma'am, what about the
What about the?
monitor,
Monitor.
monitor in the class?
Oh, actually, we said the principal said that to us, but after that, it was not common in our discussion. So maybe she forgot, or we teachers are not that much bothered about that. Maybe because of that. So I have to share the Excel sheet to you, right?
Yeah.
So that will have to fix once more.
Okay.
Let's
Then after
discuss
that we can give
after.
answer.
Yes. So because this week actually we have staff meeting, and after that Adra ma'am's marriage is in this week, so everybody's.
Oh,
Don't
it's
she
very
said that to you?
important to us. No,
No, she
we'll not
didn't.
talk with her.
She's not leaving the mage. Maybe take
That's yeah.
uh,
She'll
maybe
take
she
leave, maybe, right?
leave on leave for some days. After that, she will rejoin with you. So to next Saturday, coming Saturday.
Ah.
Today is Monday, right? For coming Saturday's her marriage.
Okay, then maybe tomorrow she'll say.
Maybe she was.
Maybe.
Okay, don't ask to her. Let's
No, no,
wait.
no. We'll not ask her. We'll not ask her.
Check it.
Just say.
Okay.
Let's check if he'll say or.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. I think. Wait. I will share the screen for you. It's so Mazin and Sahara. In the last class, we are learning how different organisms are adjusting with their environment. Okay, how what are the features um, that is in their body to adjust with the environment, like in deserts, in polar regions, in wet lands, okay, in water, how they are adjusting. You can see so many plants and animals live in desert area, right? So there are also, Masin, I am revising for you and Sahara. Okay, so there are so many organisms that are seen in the desert area. So there the water is very less and the climate is very hot, right? So they have to adjust with that environment. Okay, in order to adjust with that environment, they have their some special features in their body. Some special features in their legs. They have some organs to store the fat in water, like that. Okay, like that also it is happening in the wet places. Lotus is seen in the wet land. Mazin, why are you smiling?
Sundas is making me laugh.
Why?
She was standing right there. I'm not looking at her. I'm looking at.
Okay.
Let me ask her.
Okay. It's okay, Mazi. Come. Okay, so that's it. So there are some changes in let's see the lotus plant and lily plant. They are living in the water, right? So they are not like the plants that we see in our gardens or our surroundings. There are some difference between them. So that differences are for adjusting with that wet environment. Okay, like that there are so many changes that happening in different organisms. Okay, it's in the recordings. You can go and see the recording. Only one class you may missed. Okay, because on Wednesday, Tuesday you don't have science classes, and Wednesday I didn't take that class. Okay, so only Monday's class is missing. Just go and see that and go through your textbook. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me
I done my
personally.
best.
Okay.
Ma'am, Tuesday you took class, right? And Thursday? Thursday?
Thursday I took class.
So
Monday
Monday and
I
Thursday.
Monday they were not there in the class. Sorry, in the Thursday they were in the class. No, both
Thursday
of
they
them.
were not there. I think Monday they were not. not there in Thursday. Monday they were there.
No, Mondays they were not there.
They were. I can only hear them. Then Monday, you were there, Zahra.
No, no, Zahra was not.
I was in Monday, but I was not in Tuesday.
Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday.
So you only have Thursday's class.
Ah, yes. Masin was not in not on Monday, right? You were on
Mazin,
Monday.
are you there in Monday?
You were there.
Yeah, I was there. Then
Yeah,
you
he
both,
was there.
So you was
you both
not
have Thursday.
Thursday. So you both have to watch the Thursday classes.
Okay.
Okay.
The last class, what she uploaded there, right?
All the classes I uploaded. You can see
You
that.
studied from page number 114, right?
So actually page number is not
Yeah, 6.3. 6.3 full.
6.3.
Hmm.
So you can see the presentations also. Just go through that.
Yeah.
So that's it. That is it. So next portion is adaptation of animals in cold environment. So which are the animals that you can see in the cold environment? Very cold.
Polar bear.
Walrus. What's the walrus?
Polar bear.
Penguin.
Walrus.
Yes, yes, yes.
Polar bear, penguin.
Ah. Why for?
Then
Why for?
was
For
there like a deer?
why?
Deer is there, right?
Why for what? Why for what?
What
Correct.
is there is seagull?
It is there. You can see the picture here.
I was knowing that white color fox.
That's the Arctic fox.
It's actually these are the creatures. Some creatures are new to you, right? Seal is also seal. You are familiar with that, right? Seal, polar bear, and yak is also there, and the reindeers like that is also familiar. So
Ma'am, elephant seal, right?
yes, so you can see some type of owl is there, right? Owl.
Elephant
The white owl is there, and fox-like organism is also
Yeah,
there.
first is polar bear.
So all these are the animals seen in the penguin is also there. So all these are the animals that seen in the polar regions or the cold climate.
Seal is in water, right? Seal is in water, right? Not in
Yes.
it is not in water. I think it is in water.
It is
No,
not
seal is in
seen.
water.
Seal is in water in the glaciers, in the ice, cold areas.
Seal is in
There are,
Antarctic, right?
yes, the Antarctica and Arctic regions are polar regions. Okay, so there is covered by snow, and some places there are some melted snow. That is water. Okay, it is also very cold climate. We are discussing not about the snow area. We are discussing about the cold environment. Okay. So animals have many adaptation to survive in this harsh environment. That what will be the climate? It will be very, 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 very
Very cold.
cold. There, in the polar regions, the climate will be very, very cold. So animals need shelter and insulation in the cold region. What is? Do you know what is insulation?
Insulation.
Covering. Covering. When the
Ma'am,
cold
also I've
climate,
only
we
heard
use
insulation.
which type of clothes? In cold climate, we use which type of clothes?
Sweater and hoodie. That like
Yes, we use woolen clothes mainly, right?
yeah, woolen clothes. Yes.
So it is to prevent us from this cold, to protect us from this cold. So actually, these clothes are our insulation. But in the case of animals, they don't have, they didn't get any clothes. There is nobody to give them clothes and wear it like, right? So they have to make some insulation by their own. Okay, they have to make a cot by their own. So it's not possible for to wait. So actually in the last class, all the classes was going very smoothly. You have so many doubts and that is really wait. Don't be what we said in Malayalam, "Poki kari vedi vekka." Don't do like that. Wait. Okay. So, uh, it is not possible for to make them a cloth. So, they have thick fur on their body and huge storage of fat inside their body. See, all these animals are very fat, right?
Yeah, very
As compared to the organisms that seen in land, they are very fat. It's because inside their body there is a fat insulation. Okay, where is a thick layer of fat stored inside their skin. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is to protect, this is to keep them warm. Okay, this fat keep them warm inside it helps to maintain the body temperature. And over that skin, what you can see, one more thing is there, and almost all. They have fur, right? Look at the bear, fox, most of the organisms have fur, right?
Yes, fur. Yeah.
Fur. Zahra, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, they have fur or they have thick feathers. Look at the owl. They have two or
Very
four
thick.
layers of feather is there in the body. And in the case of penguin also they have a thick wings.
Yeah, yes.
Feathers on their body. And also they are waterproof. Okay. Okay, if a crow or a sparrow or parrot or that or birds, if they sink in water or their feathers will be completely wet, right? It will become more heavy or it clumps together, right? It will be like that in the terrestrial birds, in the normal environment, because they have the provision that they got very hot climate also is there, their warmer environment is there, so it can be easily dried up. But it is not possible in these birds and animals. If they become wet, it is not possible for to them dried up very easily, because the whole climate is very cold, right? Okay, clear. So, in order
Yes,
to
ma'am.
in order to maintain their body temperature, they have, what are the features they have to maintain their body temperature?
Feathers, fur,
Feathers, fur,
and their fat in their skin.
fat deposit. Yes, thick layer of fat deposit. Or Hania Fatima is not listening to the class. So these three are, so Sahara, what I said is, these three are the codes that made by themselves. Okay. That's what I said. They made their own codes. They made their own coat of these feathers, coat of fur and coat of fat. That's it. And not the coat that we made of clothes like that. It's clear now? Okay. That's it.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes. So, but you should come fast. And
5 minutes.
many of them have large bodies and shorter arms and legs and tails. So that look at their legs, tail, and their arms and their body. So their body is very big.
Yeah, very big.
The body is very big as compared to their body. Their arms, legs, and tails are very short.
Short, very short.
Okay, so this helped them to maintain the heat better inside their body and prevent the loss of the heat from their body. Because in the arms and legs, it is not possible to store more fat. If your hands and legs are very fatty, it is very difficult for you to move, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
let's imagine your hand is very fat. Your legs is very fat as compared to your body. Then it is very difficult for you to move, right? You can't move properly. So in order to maintain that movement possible, you should have a thin hand and legs. Okay, so here if their hand and leg is too long, so they will be get affected by the very cold climate, they will suffer a lot. So in order to maintain that, their body will become is larger and their arms, legs and tail is very shorter. Okay, that's it.
Mm.
And they have a large feet. Look at their feet, it is flattened. Most of its feet is, you know that what it's a feet of bear. Have you seen that, the feet of a bear?
Yes,
It's
yes,
flat.
yes.
It's flat
That
and
is
large.
that.
Yes, it helps to distribute more on the land and it gives a grip to them because their body is very big, right?
No, I
Let's.
don't
It's
understand.
like
I don't understand it.
just I will give you an example. At the first time, when you wear a high-heeled uh, shoes or chappal, you may fall down, right?
Yeah.
Why is it so?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Your body's weight have to maintain with the sharp tip. So it is not that much easy to maintain the body's the whole weight in that sharp tip. Right? It is not easy.
Yes.
So when you use a broader heels, it is more easy to adjust with easy to walk. Right?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
So it's because when it is more broader, it is more easy to balance the weight of the body. Okay. So in the case of polar bears or animals in this areas, their body is very fat. Anya PT, mute please. So when it is
Mom is mute.
yes, yes. So when their body is very big and their fingers or feet is very small, is it possible for them to balance the whole body weight in that small fingers or
No.
feet? No.
No. No.
So in order to balance that, they have a broad what feet.
Feet.
Okay, to
Okay.
balance their body weight.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, so say in the case of car, take the case of car. Imagine there are only two tires at the middle. It's not on the both sides or four sides. They are not tires. Only the tires are in the middle part. Is it easy for it to balance the weight? No, no, right? So like that, it is because it is seen on the both four sides in order to balance the weight of the car. Right?
Yeah.
So like that, in order to balance the weight, it here the adaptation is its feet is broader. Okay,
Broader.
larger. Okay. Next is hibernation or migration. That means when it is too. What is hibernation?
Hibernation means.
Come on, come on. You all are present.
It's coming to a one type how the hibernation is kind of how the
It's come to one
body
stage.
goes
But
into
long period of time because how can you say?
So actually, the when the climate is so severe, it goes to a sleeping stage,
Yeah, sleeping stage for a
dormant
long
stage.
period. Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so before that, they took too much of food and they keep that fat inside, store that fat inside their body, and then it go to a dormant stage. Okay, okay. So here also it is happening among the polar bears and all. What happened? It go to hibernation process, and some organism go migrate. What is migration?
Migration is when
from
it changes
its
area
area
to
to
if there is no
other.
any food and all, they some animals migrate to a warmer place.
Yeah.
You
From
read it from the
other area
textbook,
to.
right?
No, I know
No.
it. I just know I know it.
Okay,
Migration is
then
so
it's
simple. No,
migrate
isn't
means
it?
what that it move from one place to another. It's placed to one some favorable conditions. Okay, okay, that's it. Cool. So, which are the plants that you can see in the cold climate?
That tree and all. Like
Pine
Christmas.
trees.
Like the
Uh,
Christmas
I guess
tree.
yeah, like
pine
this
trees.
tree.
Pine
Pine tree.
trees.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, what is the shape of the tree?
This triangle. Yeah,
Yes, it's
triangle.
almost triangle shape. Do you know why it is triangle in shape?
No.
So just guess it. What will be triangle leaf trees are not seen in our normal
Yeah,
places,
yeah,
right?
yes, yes.
It is seen only in the cold regions. Why is it so? Use your brain.
No, because if our 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 surrounding trees, right? If the snow falls to it, it will break, right?
Yes, that's it.
Yeah,
When
this is like triangle shape,
yes,
so
if it
it
is
will
standing
stay there.
position, then the snow can easily
Yeah.
go through that.
Yeah.
It can
Yes.
easily go to downwards. Okay, actually, it is. Otherwise, what happened? The all
In
the
our
snow
surrounding,
is.
these trees are in snow, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. That's
This
why
one
its
too.
shape is
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now,
okay,
my battery is running low.
okay. Please charge it. So, Hania PT is back, right? So, okay.
Yeah,
The next.
he was coming after 2 minutes. So fast.
Plants grow low and close together to protect themselves from the wind by trapping pockets of air. So, one thing is they grow in the cold climates, they grow together, very close to each other. Okay, okay, that helps them to protect themselves from the wind.
Ma'am,
Okay,
what means
otherwise,
plants grow low? Grow
sorry,
low. What means grow? Plants grow low means low means
grow low means it is not going very height. Big, if it is,
okay.
it
A
should be
little.
short,
Okay.
and it is not growing very fastly. It is growing very slowly and close to each other. It's very close. When it is kept close to each other, what happen when the very cold breeze blows? It can withstand that. Okay, when you are feeling very cold, what will we do if you are a group? You will clench together.
Yeah. Yes.
It's very actually in the cold climate when we sleep, we four lay on one bed. Okay, me, my husband, and my children, and in the whole time, everyone is in separate. One in one that direction, other one is
Yeah.
this
That's
direction, like that.
the different corners.
Yes, yes, yes. So actually, when it is very hot, we change the bed. Okay,
Okay.
children in one bed, we in another bed, like that. Or
Okay.
sometimes one with me and one with him. Like that, we exchange only two in one bed at that time. Very hot time climate. Okay, that's it. Sahara, are you there?
Sorry, ma'am, I went to drink some water.
Okay, okay, it's okay. So that's it. So that's the first adaptation. They grow close together, and next they usually have hairy stems and tiny hairs on their leaves to trap heat. Okay, they have hairy stems. Hairy stems means that their
Hair.
stem
Okay.
have small hairs. Their
Hairs.
stem have some small hairs in that.
Okay.
Okay, and it leaves also
Yes.
have tiny hairs. Okay, these hairs help them to trap the heat leaves are very thin and waxy to reduce water loss through transpiration. What is, do you know what is transpiration?
Transparency.
No, no, no. Maybe you don't learn that. Transpiration is the loss of water through their leaves. Actually, under the leaves, there are small pores. Okay. When you have you ever seen water droplets in the early morning on the leaves?
Ah, ah, ah. Ah.
Dewdrops.
Yeah, that.
Yes, actually, there is one thing that we are using to put on our eyes. Have you ever seen that? A grassy greening, a grasses?
Anapati, can you note?
No,
Yes.
she's saying something.
I
Something
could not
interesting.
understand Anapati and ma'am.
Anyapiti, what did you say?
Yeah.
One drop of
Yes, yes, yes. One drop. Actually, it never fall down. It is a
yeah,
waxy drop
in first
that you
grass.
can. When I was in our childhood, it was very common to see when we walk in the early morning. You can see at the tip of a grass. So
Yeah.
we used it to do like this in our like using the kajal and like that is not a kajal. We then you can feel a very cold feeling inside our eyes. It's very, very, very
Under the my home there is that.
okay. When you come to Kerala, you can
She's
ask
in
that
Kerala.
there.
She's in Kerala.
Yes, yes, yes. So all others, when you come to
Ruba
Kerala, you
also
can
in
ask it
Kerala.
your parents. Your parents might be very aware of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, when I was going to madrasa, I always see that. What?
So is it waxy? Droplets. It's not like that. I don't know. It's maybe the chances very less that is seen there. In our India, it is very common. It is a grass at the tip of
No,
the grass.
ma'am, not here in India itself, I said.
Okay, okay. So that's that is actually water come out of the leaves. Okay. So there are so many, like we sweat, right? So can you see the holes in your skin that through which the sweat comes?
No.
No. No, we cannot see the holes. So like that, there are small holes under the leaves through which the water come out. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, the process by through which this water is coming out, that process is called transpiration. Okay, the process of water coming out through the leaves, that process is called a transpiration. Okay, so in the here it is okay if the water is lost through transpiration, it can get more water. Okay, so there the leaves are waxy. In order to, if it is waxy, the water loss can be prevented because there it is very
Ma'am,
thin
vaccine
stuff.
means?
Waxy means, have you seen the crayons?
Yeah.
See, it's very waxy. If you melt it, you can see a wax coming in. And in the candles, when you burn the candles, you can see wax flowing out, right?
Some.
Like liquid, a thick liquid, and it is very slipping. When you pour the water on it, it do not stick on that water. Water is do not stick on that wax, right? Have you ever seen that? Say something.
Yeah, like
That's,
one plant is there, ma'am. It is waxy, and if we put drops, water drops, it won't get.
yes, yes, yes. Chamber
Yeah,
Yeah.
leaves on the leaves. It water do not get into that. It is looks like some small droplets. So that is waxy. Okay, that's it.
yeah.
So this become waxy to reduce the water loss. Okay, that's it. And the soil in the cold regions. Can you see the soil in the cold region? Can you see the soil in the
No.
picture?
No. Only
No.
snows.
The soil is also freezed in that in the winter time.
My
Okay. So in summer, the top few centimeters soil is melt. Thaw means melt. Okay.
Ah.
During the summer season, the few centimeters of earth, few layers get melted, and in the winter it is also very freezing stage. Okay, soil is also freezing stage. So what happened is water is pumped out of the plant cells into the roots, and any remaining sap, which is sugary solution, often acts as an antifreeze. So wait, water is pumped out of the water cells into the roots. Okay. So actually roots are the organs that take water from the soil and give that to the plants, right? So what is the function of a root?
To what?
Make
To make the plant strong.
stand properly.
And one more thing is there.
And it will be digging the water.
Yes, it's absorb water. That
Ask
is the
water.
case of the that is a function of a root. So what is the here the soil is actually freeze. So it is not possible for the roots to take in the water from that soil. So at that time the plant cells pumped water to the roots. Okay. From the plants, the stored water is pumped into the roots. Okay. At the sap. Hmm? Sap means the tip end of the roots. Okay. And inside that there is a sugary solution inside the root. There is a sugary solution that acts as antifreeze that helps the roots to stay without freezing. Okay, antifreeze means that do not allow the roots to freeze. Okay, so that way it maintains its life. If the root get freezed off, what happen? It will get damaged and the whole plant will die.
All will get damaged.
Okay, so in order to maintain that, they are pumping water into the roots, and inside the root there is a sugary solution that helps as an antifreeze, that act as an antifreeze that prevent the root from freezing out. Okay,
Okay.
okay, that is it. So it is very terrible for the plants, right? They are trying a very, they are hardworking to maintain their life.
Yeah. More than us.
So actually, these trees also have resins on their bark. Do you know what is a bark?
Yeah, bark means
It's like
hard thing on our trees.
Masin, come on. Wait, Dua. He's saying something.
it's something like a bark is something like that's something on trees, right?
Yes, it is on the stem of the trees. You
Stem
can
of the
peel off it. When it is very dry, you can peel it from that. Right? You may have seen that. You can see it in all plants,
Yeah,
almost
ma'am.
all trees.
English ma'am
Bark is
also
there.
told us about bark.
It's bark.
Yeah, bark.
The outer covering of a stem, that is bark. And you can peel it. You can peel it
Yeah,
from the.
take it like this.
Yes, it is very thick. But you can peel it. It may be when it is very dry, you can easily peel it off. You can pick it.
Yeah.
You
But
can
ma'am, it is
drop it.
thick. Very
Ah,
thick.
yes. Yes, it is thick.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, like one dry thing.
Yes, yes. Dry thing that you can see on the stem.
Mm.
So actually this bark has resins. Do you know what is resin?
No.
No. So you may have seen the rubber tree, right?
Yeah. The rubber tree, yeah.
The rubber that milk coming from that plant when it
Plant.
becomes thick.
Latex.
Yes, when it becomes thick, you can say a brown
That
colored thing, right?
yeah, I know that.
So actually,
Sometimes
we
when
only see
I
the.
used to write in the what, sometimes I take a stick and write
Yes,
in the
yes,
thing.
yes, you can do that like that.
Yeah, I also do it sometimes.
So that is actually the
But
resin
that
of that
time
plant.
the what a brown thing will be
Yes,
coming.
yes. Actually, that is a resin or the gum from that plant. So like that, almost
Mm.
all
So that
plants
is
have this.
resin.
Yes. So
Okay.
only this rubber plants resin we are using directly for commercial purpose. That is because we can see it. Okay. So for that we cut the part of the bark of that plant to get the resin. So in all other plants also it comes out naturally, but it is not in that much amount that like in the rubber plant. The amount, the quantity will be very less as compared to the rubber plant, because in the rubber plant we are cutting and extracting that. Okay, and all other plants it is coming naturally. Okay, so this resin on their bark is seen in these trees, and this sticky substance helps them to keep warm and prevent them from losing moisture. Okay, so this sticky substance, like fat in the body of polar bears. So you see the fat in
Like
the
that.
body of polar bears. Like that, this act as a fatty layer. It's not a fat. Okay, like that. Like the layers of it makes a hard outer covering to these plants. Okay, that
Okay.
help them to prevent from this uh, cold climate. Okay, it keeps them warm. It prevents them from wasting water from its body, like that. That's it. Oh, it's
Work with a partner.
so you can do it in the class itself. You can search in the Google, find it a plant or animal that live in a wet environment in your country.
That means India.
Wherever you stay, you can say if you consider India as your own country, then you can do that. It's also okay. So when everybody search as India, so we didn't get much different animals. Okay,
Yeah.
let's search it. So you can choose a plant or animal that live in a wet environment. It can be freshwater, or river, lake, sea, anywhere. It is okay. You have to find out the animals or plants that live in
Ma'am,
a
how
wet
can we
environment.
search?
So you
Ma'am,
can
should we write about plant and animals?
anyone, plant or animal, as you wish. Can search in the Google, and
Ma'am, so
you have to find what are the adaptation it have. Hania Fatima, are you talking something? You are mute.
yeah, animal. No, ma'am. Hmm.
So you have to find what are the adaptations of that plant to or animal to that environment.
Um,
First, search on the plants. Choose one plant or animal as you what you like. Okay, as you wish. Choose one animal. After that, you have to search on that animal's adaptation.
ma'am,
Yes.
flamingo.
So flamingo, I think we have already discussed in the class, right? Just choose another one.
Or what? Greater
I am thinking like
spotted
that.
eagle.
I will show you.
Yes, anything except that we see in the textbook. Okay, you can search.
This one, ma'am. greater spotted eagle.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Ma'am, I didn't search in India, okay?
Yes, you can do in India also.
I actually searched.
I'm getting like this. I have to search in India. Ma'am, can I talk about dragonflies? No, dragonfly. India.
This dragonflies.
Like this?
Yes, you can choose one from that. You can choose
Ma'am,
any
Koala
one.
kingfisher.
Elephant is also there.
Yes, yes, elephant is also
Ma'am,
living in
can
the
I
desert.
write what is that?
Greater spotted eagle.
Yes,
Greatest
you
spotted
choose
eagle.
that.
Ma'am, can I write about a flamingo? Flamingo.
Flamingo is not possible. It is already in the textbook. So there are so many animals there,
Ma'am,
right?
we have to
Ruba,
choose
you
one.
can search in Qatar.
Ma'am, we have to choose one. And what should we do?
Qatar.
No problem. You can choose any animal by your own. First, choose one
Ma'am,
animal. Wait, Dua. First, choose one animal. Sahara, stop presenting that.
Okay, sir.
Choose one animal, then you have to choose the adaptation of that animal. What are the, you have to find out what are the adaptations of that animal in that climate.
Can I write whale? Whale.
Yes, you can. Just after the art, you have to search adaptations of that.
Ma'am, should we make a slide?
No,
Okay.
you just want to point out what are the adaptations of,
Of that animal in that climate.
yes, how they are adapted to that environment.
And now I should write the
can I write dolphin?
whale.
Yes.
The
I hope everyone choose the animal or bird, right? Yeah, everyone choose one.
I chose.
Yes, I am choose kingfisher.
So everyone choose. Zahra, make choose one very fastly. So you have so many options. Mazin, done.
Which one?
Ma'am,
Do
the
you choose?
dolphin and all I cannot understand.
Yeah.
Did you choose any organism that live in wet or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Kingfisher living within 100, right?
Yes.
And what about
Koala
whale?
kingfisher.
Whale.
Yes, that's
Ma'am,
it.
mine
Ah,
is
wait.
greater spotted eagle.
Ma'am, what about polar bear?
Uh,
Polar bear.
That we
actually,
have
that is
learned,
already
right?
we discussed in the classroom, right? Choose other one. Masin, what about you?
Yeah.
You can search in the Google.
Ma'am, I search like this.
Dolphin.
And what about toucan? Toucan.
That's okay.
Toucan is toucan.
In rainforest. Dolphin.
I do like
Dolphin.
Okay, then you can choose one.
choose. Qatar, I will search in Qatar.
You
Okay.
can choose
I
one.
have searched in
Masin, it is
UAE.
not in the wet climate.
What? What environments? Ma'am, what should I search next?
So what are it? Masin, choose one from that. And one more thing is, what you have to search is adaptations of that organism to the environment. Adaptations of, if you choose whale, adaptations of whale.
Adapt. And if you choose uh, like a dolphin,
Yes, the dolphin is already took by Hania PT. You can choose another one.
ma'am, just animal.
You can choose plants also. adaptations of
Adaptations
whales
of
in
a whale to their environment.
to wet
Ma'am,
environment.
just adaptations is needed for that.
Sorry?
Only adaptation.
Yes, adapt. Yes,
Adaptation.
adapted
Adaptation
അല്ല.
is only needed.
Yes,
Only needed, right?
yes.
Okay. What is camel? You can. Yeah, you can look at what plant. Plant. Ma'am, what about shark?
Shark is okay.
No, about cat.
Ma'am,
Yes.
shark.
Who is that, Mazen?
Now, what about camel?
Camel is in dry climate. It is not in wet climate.
What like? What also?
Ma'am, now we can search adaptation of whale.
Yes. Dolphin. You choose dolphin, right, Hania PT?
Yeah.
So
Ma'am,
you
I'm
have to
choosing the
find out the
what is called
adaptations
sea
of dolphin.
turtle. Ma'am, what about
Mazen?
sea turtle?
Yes, you can do that. Yes, shark, you can do that. So just find out the adaptations of that organism that you choose. That to that climate. You have to write it out.
Ma'am, what
Yeah.
do you need to search after writing that?
Adaptations.
Adaptations of. I have taken greater spotted eagle.
Then write adaptations of that eagle.
I searched plants also. Plants.
So anyone choose one and find out the adaptations.
Ma'am, I'm choosing animals.
Okay.
Of adaptations of.
Basil took that seal, right?
I
What
cannot
sea?
understand their adaptation.
What sea?
You don't want to search too much of names. Fix on one and find out the adaptations of that organism.
Ma'am, I'll just write what they show, okay? Ma'am, I will show you. I see. They're showing it. Ma'am, I saw an animal, but I don't know the name of it. I just got it.
Sahania PT, you are choosing the images, right? Just choose the all option at the top. All option. And then you can see.
Ma'am, adaptations of greatest sport eagle. After that, what we need to search?
Look, choose the first question. What are the three adaptations of dolphin? Oh my god, it's moving. No, 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 move.
Adaptations of greatest sport eagle.
Wait, Hania Fatima. Can I talk two or three persons at a time? Talk to Hania Fatima. Don't roll. Go to the first portion. First portion. That's what written in the blue color is your answer.
I'm actually next period is at 12:40.
Yes, yes. Masin, wait. What? Hania Fatima, what did you say?
Same, I didn't understand anything.
Ma'am, Ruba's calling. Ruba's calling.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Sorry, Ruba, I didn't hear you.
Is this okay?
What is that?
Not images, all. Click on all.
Also still.
Adaptations of shark in wet Type like that. And the ocean is also okay.
Ma'am, is mine is okay?
Who's
Mine.
Rubas.
Rubai is typing, right? Zahara
No,
is.
I'm
No,
not.
that is Zahra. That is Zahra. Actually, one at a time. Otherwise, how will ma'am understand?
So that too, you can write the 2 points at the beginning.
What, ma'am?
Ruba, wait.
Ma'am, can I write it? Is mine okay?
Ruba, how can
Look
I
my.
see you? How can I know yours is okay or not? I can't see anything. Zahra is sharing. And how can I know?
And Ruba also sharing.
Both of you?
Ruba is also sharing. Yeah, now Ruba is already sharing.
Zahra, you can write the 2 points.
Ma'am, please share with me.
I can see that properly. Wait, wait. What is that?
Among these adaptations are streamlined.
Wait, it's pinned. I can't see it clearly. Yes, yes, yes. That points are already there at the
What,
streamlined
ma'am?
bodies. That's correct. That's correct.
Yeah, I got one.
There are one, two, three,
Ma'am,
four,
can I share my
5 or 6 points are. Wait, honey, a bit, honey, Fatima. I call you one time. At that time, you were not available. That's why I go to the next one. Okay, you were not
Ma'am,
listening to that. You were busy with
should
something
I
else.
write it in the notebook?
Yes. Okay. Then Hania Fatima, share it. Ruba, stop sharing. Then Hania Fatima. क्या What is that, Hania Fatima? Is there anyone who is learning Kung Fu there? Sounds like that.
My brother, he like to study Kung Fu and Karate. He always doing Kung Fu and Karate in our home.
That's it. So I'm
That's
correct.
why. Yeah.
So one thing is it is a migratory bird. So it is one adaptation is it is migrating. Okay.
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 And it only has white spots as
So its white spots fade. What is it's some interesting facts. Go to the top. But did you choose this interesting facts? I don't want that. So just open any one link or Wikipedia or like that. There is just a feature.
Ma'am, Kingfisher migrates. Right?
Look. You can see the adaptation. Move a little. The very same thing. What do you have open? What did you open now? It's not the same thing. You can go back and choose the third one, Hania Fatima.
Which one?
This
One.
one.
Greatest photography facts data
Yes. Just go through. Something you opened that was good. It's not that one also. So what was the thing that you opened just before this? In that
Just
the answer
before.
was there. Why did you?
one, right? The third one. Go down. Go down.
Yeah, just before it, I
This
have
one. This one.
opened
This one. Take this. Take this.
the greatest spotted eagle.
No.
No, it's not that.
Then go down.
You opened one.
This you said. This you
Second one. Yeah, that one. Maybe.
It is also not that. Ah, yes, yes, it's that.
Ah,
So
yeah,
move, 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 move. Move a little more. Ah, yes. What are the adaptations do they
What
have?
adaptations do they
You
have?
can
What
choose
are
from
the
that.
adaptations of do they have?
What adaptations do they have?
So there are some points, right? Go through that.
Okay, I
Yeah,
can
see.
write 3 points, right?
Yes, 3 points are there. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
But there is 4. Can I write only 3?
No, no, no. The first one is not the point.
Ma'am, kingfishers migrates, right?
You just go through that. Actually, I have no idea about that. Sorry, I'm not an encyclopedia. So I think you.
Got one. Can I write in that in my notebook?
Yes, yes. So I think you got the idea what to do, right? So
No.
just do that. Choose 3 or 4 points from that and write it in the notebook. Next day we can read it in the classroom. Okay.
Okay.
Because time is already up, right? So you can leave now. Otherwise, you don't get break for the next class before the next class.
Bye.
Okay.
Next class is
Bye.
math, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.